Fragrant Nature Munnar. 5 stars. Get the celebrity treatment with world-class service at Fragrant Nature Munnar, located 17 miles from Munnar Tea Museum. Fragrant Nature Munnar in Munnar has a fitness center and garden. This 5-star hotel offers a bar. The property is 22 miles from Mattupetty Dam and 25 miles from Anamudi Peak. Overall, the property was just great. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. The room was luxurious. The breakfast choices and quality excellent. Views stunning. Spa very good. The view from the hotel is amazing. The cafe had lovely coffee and cakes, and the food in the restaurant was wonderful. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.